Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A5 key battery. It's a simple process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials. You'll need one new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier and prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by sliding the small release button on the side of your key and pulling out the mechanical emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Take your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and gently insert it into this slot. Twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery nestled in its compartment. Take your small tool and gently pry the old battery out. Pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your brand new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Once everything is back together, test your key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking your Audi A5, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.